All right, on today for Art for Kiddos, we have an alpaca. So let's jump over there and let's get started drawing our alpaca. All right, so start with that llama's face. We're gonna make just a little bit of curlies there, a little bit of squiggly lines. All right, now we've got the body to do. So what we're gonna do is make little puffy, almost like you're making clouds, little puffy lines. That'll go down around his neck. This will be the rest of his head. And then we're gonna make the rest of his body right there. We'll come down and make the other part. Now let's go ahead and give him some ears while we're at it. Easy, just a little half circle, and then another one on top of it. Okay, now I've got 2 ears. We're gonna come down here. We're gonna make some little puffy feet. More little puffy feet. We'll connect those two. All right, we only got one thing left besides our signature. We gotta give this guy a face. So make an upside down U. Make a little nose. And then we're gonna make a mouth with his tongue sticking out. And that is it. You can choose color of the face if you want to in the ears, but our llama here, we're gonna keep it a white llama. And again, if you wanna go back and color, you can look it up. You can have all different colored llamas. I think the ones I've seen have been black, brown, tan, all different kind of colors, but we're gonna leave this one, we're gonna keep this one white. We'll sign our name and we're done. There is your 3-minute llama.